Hey, this is Parker, your favorite Atlanta realtor, and I'm back with a quick update on the Atlanta housing market for August 2021. Let's get going. Things are really starting to settle down here. There's more inventory coming onto the market, and I expect to see more as we get into the fall and people settle into their normal routines. I've got a couple of listings coming up. Things are looking pretty good. Buyer demand has also dropped in the last 2 months. It's fairly normal for demand to fall in Atlanta during the summer. But what I think more importantly has happened is that all of that excess demand, sort of the panic buying caused by COVID, has just kind of fizzled out. Houses are staying on the market longer with fewer multiple offer situations. And a lot of the houses my team members have sold recently have just gotten one single offer. One good offer is all you need. I'm also detecting some buyer pushback after the big run up in prices. You know, buyers have access to all of the pricing information. And if they go on to a listing and they see that, okay, the owner just bought this house in 2019 and now it's on the market for $250,000 more than they paid for it less than 2 years ago, kind of leaves a bad taste in their mouth. And frankly, if buyers look at a house and the pricing just looks opportunistic, kind of like make me move type pricing, they just won't even bother to look at it. I'm also detecting a very slight downward price correction. We'll obviously have to wait a couple of months to see what the true numbers are, but it feels like that's what's happening. If you're in the under 300,000, first-time home buyer bracket, you're really still facing some challenges in the Atlanta market, especially if you want to live in town or somewhere inside the perimeter. But it's not nearly as desperate as it was just 4 months ago. Once you get into the 500,000 plus bracket, things are a lot more normal. Houses are sitting on the market. Fewer multiple offer situations, sometimes, as I said, just a single offer to sell the house. It's a much more normal market pace, and frankly, it's a lot more pleasurable to work like this. So what does this all mean if you're a buyer? To sum it all up, it means you have more choices, and there's less pressure to make a snap decision on a house. It's not like you're walking into a house thinking, oh, there's 20 other people that are trying to get this house. How am I going to get it? It's a much calmer pace in the market, and frankly, it works better for all parties concerned, especially if you're a buyer. So again, if you're interested in moving to Atlanta, please look in the box down below. Get my phone number, send me an email. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks.